Our field is set. Pilots, prepare for flight. Drivers behind the line. And 3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification match number 70 begins with 6 robots on the move on the field. We have 1 gear place on the lift in the blue airship, 1's on the rotor, and we have a second one going. That's a good for 60 points for the Blue Alliance. The Red Alliance was able to counter that with 1 rotor for themselves, and we come out of the teleoperated period tied at 75 apiece. Team 20 and 303 racing over to the retrieval zone. And they go back to the airship. 303 unfortunately dropping their gear, so they'll have to go back to the retrieval zone as the Rocketeers on the Blue Alliance successfully drop a gear off to their airship and the pilots. 2 rotors are going for the blue airship, and the Red Alliance quickly gets their second rotor turning as well. 90 seconds left to go in this match. Robots are flying in every direction in this match. Very close game as gears are launched, are placed onto the lifts and onto the airships. 1 gear left for the blue airship to get the third rotor going. The red airship still needs 4 gears for number 3. .303 and 51.23 for the Blue Alliance line up with their airship. The test team is able to successfully drop a gear off. That's the last one they needed for rotor number 3, and we're spinning up in the blue airship. Team 395, 2-train Robotics trying to play some defense against the Blue Alliance, trying to get in their way as they make their way over to the blue retrieval zone. 303 caught up in the defense played by 395. If they can get past, they have a gear in their robot that'll be good for the 4th rotor. 30 seconds left to go in this match. Ropes are on the field as the robots attempt to climb and prepare for takeoff. 10 seconds to go. 6,300 for the Red Alliance climbing into the air. They're joined by their alliance partners 395. 2 red lights on the Red Alliance. 303 is in the air for the Blue Alliance as time runs out. In that last match, there's a card being issued. A yellow card to Team 2869 for an SO7 violation, reaching outside of the airship. Oh, you gotta come in. Scores go up. Airships take to the air, racing to the finish line, and the Red Alliance is the first across with score 240 to Blues 205. 2 ranking points for the 3 Red Alliance robots.